seeing him with a wagging tail when I give him a cast, it really signifies that he understands that I'm his teammate and that we're working together to accomplish a goal. Using the Cornerstone program, it really enhanced my confidence with finishing this dog on my own. The training programs are incredibly detailed in that they can be applied whether you have a gun dog or just a house pet. Everything's straightforward, everything's detailed and outlined. And if I have any questions, I can contact Cornerstone directly and someone will get back to me on
Over. God.
Being the guy in the group with a dog is a huge responsibility. Having a quality gun dog makes or breaks a hunt. If you have someone chasing their dog around in the decoys, or if you're in the upland field and the dog ranges, it can ruin an entire hunt. The importance of them being steady and quiet and responsive to simple obedience and to advanced gun dog skills is vital. At this point, I'm able to hunt my 1.5-year-old puppy with dogs that have been hunting for 6, 7, 8 years, and he holds his own. I can confidently take him into the field knowing that he will be steady, he will be quiet, and he will deliver.